So good morning earnings po. Okay, another blessed morning today. Grabe itong ARBCore talaga, no. So pero yesterday, okay, itong April 10, so naka-receive tayo ng spillover income na $228. Grabe yung nangyayari ngayon, guys. So gagawin natin this April 11, okay, i-harvest ulit natin dito sa sa network program. So nandito guys, ito na may spillover income natin. So approximately meron na naman tayong available na 250 USDT. So grabe dito guys, nagagaling lang to sa spillover kahit wala kang invite. Kita mo yung naguhulog guys sa ilalim mo. So saan ba tayo nagpa-profit dyan? Normally sa volume structure mo na yan, ito karamihan na spillover, dyan lang gagaling yung percentage natin. Whatever the profit na nag-generate dyan, meron tayong 10% kahit hindi natin siya kakilala. And the good news, meron na naman akong 250. Let's do withdrawal, no? So withdraw natin. I'm always withdrawing using the BNB Smart Chain, USDT Smart Chain. Okay, put max. Every morning yan. Every morning ginagawa ko yan. So dito, yan, kunin ko lang yung authenticator. Every morning yan guys. Thank you sa blessing Lord. Ayan, so withdraw. Alright, in a few seconds, ayan, makikita mo din real time. Grabe, yan na, dumating na si 250. Boom, nandyan na kagad sa wallet natin. So kung tatrack mo yan guys, yan ay received this morning. Okay, dated August 11 at 7:57 AM. Okay, so yun yung kita natin today. Pero kahapon po, ito po yung kita natin kahapon. Okay, kahapon po, as of yesterday naman is 228 USDT. Spillover lang po yan. Grabe, ng alas 7:47 yesterday. Kung titignan natin, kung itatrack natin yung history ng ating transactions, grabe talaga tong real arbitrage po yung nakikita natin dito. Actually, it's real arbitrage po ang meron kay ARBCore. Okay, so check lang natin. Okay, mamaya in the history magpa-pop up na yan dito yung ating latest withdrawal, pero na-receive na natin siya. Grabe, nung nakaraan po, ayan o, prior dyan sa April 10, grabe 245 po tayo. Yan o, lahat po yan is trackable in Smart Chain transaction. So may kita mo kung saan ba nanggaling or na transfer. Grabe, from company and our wallet. So sa press, kumbaga napakaganda ng opportunity na meron ngayon dito kay ARBCore. So ma-enjoy natin yung spillover. Just position yourself, start the business with us. Okay, so happy earnings everyone, mabuhay.